Today, I'm sharing with you my family recipe for hard-boiled egg gravy. I know it sounds super weird, but it's one of my family's favorite dishes to enjoy for every holiday. So trust me, you're gonna love it, and don't knock it till you try it. To make our hard-boiled egg gravy, we're gonna start by making a roux, and we're gonna do this by melting down 3 tablespoons of butter. Once our butter is melted, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So we're just gonna whisk that together until it gets nice and bubbly. Next, you're gonna slowly whisk in 2 cups of milk, and you're gonna wanna make sure that you're stirring it constantly. Now, we're just looking for this to come to a boil and start to thicken. Once our mixture starts to boil, I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Yeah, mayonnaise, I told you this recipe was weird. And then we're gonna add in 6 hard-boiled eggs that have been chopped up. Lastly, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of black pepper and about a teaspoon of salt. So as you can see, this recipe is super easy to make, but you're probably wondering, what can I use this on? Well, in my family, we make a dish called egg stuff with it. It's really easy, super delicious, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. To make egg stuff, first you're gonna start with a piece of cornbread. I use good old-fashioned Jiffy cornbread for this. Then we're gonna spoon that creamy egg gravy over top. Next, we're gonna crumble bacon on top, add some shredded cheddar cheese, and then if you feel like getting fancy, you can top it with some chopped green onions. So there you have it. That's my family's recipe for hard-boiled egg gravy and egg stuff. I promise if you get past the fact that this dish is super weird, you're gonna love it.